Welcome back to Math is Easy, step by step. In this part 107 video, I'd like to get into a second type of math word fraction problem. Okay, let's just jump right on in here and get to it. Like my old grandpappy used to say, a glass jar has 5 blue coins, 4 red coins, 3 green coins, 2 purple coins. What fraction of coins is blue? All right, so we have A, 5/7, B, 1/2, C, 3/14, or D, 5/14. Now take a look, A, B, C, and D. Can any of these possible answers be reduced? And if they can, you're going to want to cross off that answer because every option A, B, C, and D should be reduced to the fullest simplification that you can get a fraction. If not, just cross it off. It cannot be an answer. So here we can see all of these fractions have been reduced. Okay, so what fraction of coins is blue? Question. And remember, when you're creating a fraction, you want to put the part over the whole, right? So how many blue is the part? How many total coins is the whole? Okay, so you can see here, these are all the coins. There was 5 blue, 4 red, 3 green, and 2 purple. And so the part, each one of those is a part. So the part we're talking about in the questions are blue. So how many coins were blue? You're going to put that right up here where it says part. And then if you add up all of the coins, that will give you the whole. What is the whole? Part over whole is our fraction. So again, each individual color group of coins is the part. And if you add them all up, 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. That gives you the whole or the total, right? So if we know the part is 5, we know the whole is 14, can you create your fraction? Yes, we absolutely can. 5/14 is our fraction. Now, 5 represents the blue coins, 5 blue coins out of 14 total coins. So 5/14. Can I reduce this fraction? Let me ask you again. Can I reduce this fraction? I've got an odd number on top, which is 5. I have an even number on the bottom part of the fraction, which is 14. Is there a number other than 1 that can be divided evenly into the top and bottom? No, you cannot reduce this fraction, right? The only number that can be divided into top and bottom is 1. 5 divided by 1 is 5. 14 divided by 1 is 14, right? So it's the same fraction you ended up with when you divide by 1. So no, cannot be reduced. The answer is D, 5/14. Thank you for joining me for this part 107 video, our second example word problem with fractions or test question with fractions. Math is easy, step by step. Thank you for joining me. Again, if I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time.